Today we'll be unboxing the brand new POCO M8 Pro 5G. So as you can see from the specs below here, I got the silver version, 256 gigs. And on the side of the box, nothing much. The top, nothing much. Let's get to the unboxing. So got my pen knife here. Let's take out the plastic. Okay, plastic has been removed. Let's unbox the phone. Okay, so first thing you will see is a box that has a POCO logo over here. Let's see what's inside the box. Got a SIM ejector pin. Okay. Quick start guide and safety information. Put that to the side. And then it also comes with a case. A nice black TPU case. Sorry, maybe not TPU, maybe silicone. But yeah, it's flexible, simple case to get you going. So, next up we have the phone itself. Okay, so some of the basic specs you can see here. 6500 mAh battery with 100 watt hypercharge. 6.83 crystal res 1.5K AMOLED display. Snapdragon 7S Gen 4, 50 megapixel light fusion, 800 with OIS. IP68 dust and water resistant. So the phone, we'll leave that to the side first. Let's see what else is in the box. So the cover. So it comes with the 100 watt charger, charging brick itself. Okay. And a Type A to Type C cable. So yeah, that's it for the box. Next up, we will unbox the phone itself. So as you can see, this is the silver color variant. I ordered this one because it looks the most interesting, with the dual tone color on the back. So as you can see, it looks really very nice. Okay. And there's a dual camera on the back, and then this is the flash. And actually this doesn't serve as any function, it's just mainly for aesthetic, so it looks more symmetrical. But just take a look at the back with the silver, and also the sides that has the black, which is looks like carbon fiber, but it's not. It's a very smooth feeling, but it's just the looks itself. Okay, let's flip it over to the right side. You can see the volume switch as well as the power button. On the bottom here, you have a loudspeaker, USB-C charging port, a microphone, as well as a your SIM card tray. On the left side, nothing, absolutely empty. On the top here, another microphone and another loudspeaker. And for the front of the phone itself, let's power it on so you guys can see how the screen looks like. While it's powering on, just want to show you guys again the back. Looks really sleek, very shiny. It feels relatively light for the size of the phone, and the POCO branding is quite minimal, so it's a really nice looking phone. Okay, powered by Xiaomi HyperOS. Okay, so as you can see, the screen itself, the bezels are looking pretty thin. They look pretty symmetrical to me, if I'm not wrong. Okay, the front facing camera. Yeah. So that's it for the review.